Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital tools to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to use the Fortiva virtual card in 2025. If you're tired of the risks with traditional cards for online shopping, this virtual card is a game changer, offering top-notch security and convenience. Let's dive right in. First things first, what is the Fortiva virtual card? It's a digital payment solution from Fortiva that lets you make secure online transactions without exposing your real card details. In 2025, it's packed with advanced features like biometric authentication and one-time use options, perfect for shopping, subscriptions, or even international payments. To get started, download the Fortiva app from your device's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, sign up with your email, create a strong password, and verify your account through the link sent to your inbox. This only takes a minute. Next, link your bank account or add funds directly in the app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to connect your debit or credit card securely. Fortiva uses encryption to keep your info safe, so no worries there. Now, for the fun part, using your virtual card. Head to the Generate Card section in the app. Choose options like a single-use card or one with a set expiration. You'll get a unique card number, CVV, and expiration date instantly. When you're ready to shop, enter these details on any website, just like a physical card. One standout feature in 2025 is the integration with your phone's biometric security, like fingerprint or Face ID, to approve transactions. This adds an extra layer of protection against fraud. After your purchase, check the app to confirm the transaction and delete the virtual card if needed. Always monitor your account for any unusual activity and report issues directly through the app. There you have it. Using the Fortiva virtual card is straightforward and secure. Give it a try for your next online purchase. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.